welcome back, broskies and sisters, to our reaction channel. It's been a couple of days, man. We didn't react to nothing, but we're back, and I hope you guys are doing great for yourselves. Over here, we react to funny content. We just trying to have a nice time, laugh, chill, and be on some good vibes. So, I haven't done Nigerian TikTok reaction in a while. I think I'll do that. That would be like the next video that I will do. But today, I saw this video, bruh. Wait, hold on.
Stop the black talk right there.
Yeah, okay, yeah. We gonna stop right there. So I saw this video. I did this video on YouTube. Dr. Umar meets my white girlfriend. That is IamDavis. If you don't know who IamDavis is, he's a member of the AMP. We just reacted to Kai Senat in Nigeria and in fact, I think we did find him as well. I'm not sure, because I did do some videos some days ago, but everything crashed. That's actually why I didn't upload any video for like a week or 2 weeks now, I think, because I did react to some video, but somehow my software just crashed, bro. But anyways, I got me a good one. I finally was able to use OBS, so I'm using OBS now, because it was hard learning OBS, but now I think I'm getting the hang of it. So yeah, I'm using OBS now, so we are good now. There will be like regular videos, so yes, we're good. Yeah, forgive me. I hope I'm forgiven. Anyways, IamDavis white girlfriend meets Dr. Umar Johnson. If you don't know who Dr. Umar Johnson is, he's like a activist, pro, I don't want to say black, but pro-black, yeah, like I like saying melanin, you feel me, melanin. But yeah, he's a pro-black activist in America, and you know how he feels about dark-skinned men, or just like African American, or like black men in general don't marry, like when they marry outside of the race and stuff. So, and he meets IamDavis white girlfriend. So I want to know how it went down. I'm curious, and if you're curious as well, just like me, let's check out this video, bruh, because I know it's going to be funny. It's going to be funny. But why would Davis? What we're gonna find out. Let's talking. So let's jump straight into the video, man. And I don't want to say this, but I have to say it. If you want to fuck with the channel, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and let's go.
Love you, but you are no use to me with that white woman on your arm, brother.
He prides himself on being a pan-African and believing that black people should only date black people. Yeah. Today, I'm gonna prank Dr. Umar into meeting my fake white girlfriend.
It's a prank? Okay, now it makes it even more interesting. All right, let's go straight into the video, bro. It's a
First,
prank.
let me tell you the story about how we got here.
You're pranking Dr. Umar.
I was in the middle of shooting my Apple Vision Pro video when I got a call.
Yo, you know Dr. Umar's in town, right?
Really?
Yeah.
Here I am waiting patiently in line for Dr. Umar.
I'll be honest, this guy knows how to draw a crowd. I waited in line for well over an hour, and the moment finally came.
What up, King? How you doing? You know who you remind me of a little bit? The way you dress? M'Baku from the Wakanda. The same haircut. He got the same hair.
How does this remind you of M'Baku? How? There is no way, bro.
The audio was absolutely abysmal, but basically I asked him for an interview, and he told me that he couldn't do it because he had another one to do that day.
So shoot me a text. Okay. I'm supposed to come back Friday or Saturday.
Gotcha.
You feel me?
Yeah, I got you.
Text me so I don't forget.
Thank you.
Come on up.
I'll be honest, I didn't expect to actually hear back from him, but after a month of going back and forth, he finally told me he was back in Atlanta and ready to do the interview. But now the only problem is I don't actually have a white girlfriend.
Damn, so you made this
All right, y'all, so now I'm here with, what's your name again?
Tori.
I'm here with Tori, and now we have to go fake look like we're a couple, like a happy couple, which I'm not that excited about because like I'm in a real relationship, but I gotta make this YouTube video, so yeah. Anyways, let's do it.
Tori's gonna be helping me prank Dr. Umar into thinking I have a white girlfriend. We're gonna be taking some pictures so it looks like we've known each other for a long time, and then we're gonna plan an argument in front of him.
We had to look it up on Pinterest to find some inspiration, so we're gonna do that. Y'all know that couple post where you're like walking, like, and you're leading behind me, I'm like, okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
É isso mesmo que você leu. O primeiro aporte
Really?
para começar o seu
We
investimento
haven't
no
even
polo
done
florestal
5
de
minutes in the
Morgan
video.
Africano começa com pelo menos...
But hey, he said in the video they would plan to make up an argument during the interview, so to make it seem like they are arguing. So I wonder what like the argument would be about. I'm even more curious and invested in this video right now, bro. Okay.
Now we're going. The plan is to tell Dr. Umar that I'm having relationship problems because my girlfriend wants an open relationship. But little does he know, when she gets out here, she's gonna be Caucasian, and I'm gonna have her say this to him.
What do you want her to say in this situation? When you say
I think Dr. Umar should join us one time.
This nigga is gonna get up and leave.
With only a few minutes left until Dr. Umar arrives, we had a full plan and we're ready to execute.
Dr. Umar in the
Yes,
flesh,
sir.
man.
Honest mind, brother.
What a pleasure it is to meet you,
Likewise,
man.
likewise.
Man, how's life been for you?
Life been great. I can't complain. Always ready for revolution.
Amen. I can never go a day without seeing you on the internet. So, I mean, that means you're doing something right. I want to go ahead and show you around my humble house real quick.
This is nice here.
Thank you so much. We got the city of Atlanta
Wow.
behind us.
Wow.
You play basketball at all?
Yeah, I wasn't good though. They made me play because I was tall.
Hey, we need to see at least one jump shot. Come on, just one.
One jump shot.
Just
I
one
can't
jump shot.
jump.
Come on now.
Oh,
We got to get at least one from you.
see here.
I already know what color it is. I already know it's water.
I'm going to the foul line.
I
Let me
heard
go.
you. Okay, we're going to scoot it in a
They
bit.
got me on camera. They're gonna talk about it.
No.
Let me see. Ah.
Give him a break. The ball's flat.
Oh! I thought I hit it. I thought
It's a girl's ball, but you're all right. Water.
Oh!
He does. That's what we doing.
Yes!
Hey, now you hooping though. All right, let's go ahead and go through
That
the
was a
crib
good
real
jump
quick.
shot.
Man,
Even though I don't play
what a blessing,
basketball,
what a
I know
moment.
nothing
My
about
brother,
basketball.
Dr. Umar.
Glad to be with
How you
Glad
doing,
to be
man?
with you. How's everything?
Man, everything's going great. I can't complain, man. Like I said, I can't go a day without seeing your content on the internet. So that means you're doing something good. Like honestly, like I'm trying to get like that, honestly. So I guess, you know, just for the average viewer, can you tell people a little bit more about who you are?
Sure. Dr. Umar Ifatunde. I'm a certified school psychologist. I'm a doctor, clinical psychology. I'm a therapist. I am a parent advocate. I am a Pan-Africanist, which is probably the most important hat that I wear. I'm author of 2 books, Psychoacademic Black Parent Advocate.
Where can we find it? Amazon?
DrUmarJohnson.com.
Okay, so he got his own.
Why did they mute when he said his wait?
Gee, I'm-
He was naming many things I don't even know.
Therapist. I am a parent
That one I
advocate.
know.
I am a Pan-Africanist, which
Amen.
is probably the most important hat that I wear. I'm author of 2 books, Psychoacademic Black Parent Advocate.
Why?
Where can we find it? Amazon?
DrUmarJohnson.com.
Okay, so he got his own website. Okay, my fault.
Private publisher, independent. And I'm currently working on finishing up an independent school, Frederick Douglass and Marcus Garvey Academy, based in Wilmington, Delaware. We got a paint day coming up in about 2 weeks, and then we should almost be ready to apply for our inspection. Hopefully, we pass the inspection, and we'll have a grand opening celebration for the community sometime the end of the summer.
That's a beautiful thing. I open up a school. I always give any respect to someone open up a school because you're prioritizing the kids.
Yes, sir. And we're doing it independently.
That's even harder. It's not public. Okay, wow. No, I like the stuff you do because it's about Black excellence. And
Absolutely.
my group, like I said, not only are we the #1 content group in America, I mean the #1 Black group, but the #1 content group in general. Black, white, Hispanic. So we really are about Black excellence, and that was one of the goals when we started this group. It's called AMP.
We're about, maybe 5 or 6 million subscribers. That was one of the goals is, showing people, hey, you don't gotta be outside with the stick. You don't gotta be outside with the Thule. You don't gotta be outside with the Draco, with the 9, with the 40, with the 50, with the 60, with the 70 cal. You can pick up a camera and vlog. Yeah, you can get in the camera, you can get sturdy. You could do 20 V1s and
Absolutely.
and tell women, hey, hit a 360 for me real quick. And like see if she's thick or not. Like there's a lot of things you can do.
Yo, at first, he thought he was saying some real nice stuff, and then he started saying some stupid shit. And Dr. Umar's like, wait, what? wait, bro.
Outside with the stick. You don't gotta be outside with the Thule. You don't gotta be
That
outside
made
with the
sense.
Draco, with the 9, with the 40, with the 50, with the 60, with the 70 cal. You can pick up a camera and vlog. Yeah, you can get in the camera, you can get sturdy. You could do 20 V1s and
Absolutely.
and tell women, hey, hit a 360 for me real quick. And like see if she's thick or not. Like there's a lot of things you can do.
But we don't want to do that.
Why not?
Because we don't want to sexually exploit our women. One of the biggest problems that we have, your generation in particular, those younger than you, there's too much focus on the sexual objectification.
True, True. But some of you won't see it that way. Some of you, the crazy ones, the ones that be out wild, and they won't see it that way though. They won't see it from our perspective. I see it from Dr. Umar's perspective.
And the exploitation of black women.
Okay, so that's fair, but what if she's actually like, no, I'm being serious now. What if she's actually just so thick?
That's okay. I love my women 5'5" thick in the thighs. It's
Come on now.
wrong with you being
Come on now.
attracted to a curvy queen. That's all I like. But we have to be careful that we don't go so far in our attraction, right? That lust is now being used as a way to lynch our sisters and create an atmosphere where they have been permanently objectified for their sexual attractiveness.
We gotta get into some of the hard-hitting questions now. Do you know what a gyat is?
I do not.
Okay.
Wait, does he know?
Let me show you some examples. I just think of a good.
He asked. Nah, you're crazy, Davis. What the? Nah, bro. How do you bring a whole Dr. Umar to do an interview and you out here trolling, bro? He's asking him, does he know what a gyat is? And he's gonna show him what a gyat is. Oh, I want to see his reaction, bro. I want to see his reaction.
Good example. I mean, like,
Tell me what it is, why you
it's a gyat is like a woman with a big butt. So like, if you see that,
looking at a white woman.
brother, come on, booty is booty now. Come on,
Real crazy.
come on, brother.
I'm looking at a white woman.
So okay,
sir.
come on, bro.
No,
So you can't see that and be
You better
like,
pull up some mixed race sisters.
Okay.
But you ain't giving me no snow bunny, no sir.
she mixed with something. I think.
No.
So,
Hey, you know what's crazy, bro? The word snow bunny is such a trend in Germany, bro. So if you like even white girls will call themselves snow bunnies, bro. In Germany, that's crazy, bro. And the black community, if they want to address like a white chick in Germany, they don't even say a white no more. They just say the snow bunny. Even when they're speaking in German, they still use the word snow bunny, bro. That's crazy.
so she's so you can't. I saw you sneak a peek. I saw you sneak a
not
peek.
interested.
Hey, now he's sneaking peek. I saw you. He said.
No disrespect to the Caucasian female.
Okay.
There's a lot of brothers who want them, like yourself.
Yeah.
But I'm not one of them.
My biggest thing, and I've seen you talk about relationships time and time again. Like I said, I'm a Christian. I'm monogamous. And
Your
my
partner.
Yes.
What is her race?
Come on, you know.
What is she?
You know I love my queens, brother. Come on now.
Is she black?
Brother, come on.
Is she black?
Come on, brother. You know how I feel.
Say she's black.
Brother, come on.
Why you?
Like,
Say it.
We in an all
Say
black.
it.
We in a black content
That
house.
don't mean nothing.
We in the number one.
You just push snow bunnyism like I'm.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. But I'm gonna
Is
explain.
she a black woman?
Brother, come on. What, like, I'm not trying to just hand it. Yes.
Okay.
Anyway, yeah,
Congratulations.
she definitely, okay. So the problem I'm having with my current relationship is because she is very out there. You know, this generation is very, they like to go twerk in the club. They like to go be ratchet and stuff like that. So it's like, my girlfriend, I'm trying to sit here and build a long living Christian life. I'm a provider. You see this house. I mean, God is blessing me. God is blessing me. And it's like she is at the club shaking ass on her friends. Like she, you know, have you seen the Ice Spice pose?
I've heard that. Ice Spice. What is that?
Ice Spice? Okay, I get shut.
Wait, you said pose?
Yeah, it's a pose.
What is it?
I'm gonna just show you.
See it. It's expert. What is it?
I mean, can you turn it to him? You're not gonna do it? Okay, all right, okay.
Come on, man.
Okay, so
that type of part.
No, I know. But the Ice Spice pose, basically she's bending over. And my girl is, I take care of her. I get her Prada bag, I get her Chanel, and she's in the club. And the thing that pissed me off the most, and the reason why I'm like, okay, you know.
How long have y'all been together?
9 months.
Y'all been together 9 months.
Yeah.
Have you expressed your disagreement with her public behavior?
1,000%.
Has it changed at all?
Slightly, but it's taking a step back. Like she's not in the club weekly. But the thing that's throwing me off right now is 2 weeks ago, she with my friend, and like my friends can't hang out. My girlfriend and my friend can't hang out. And he wasn't with this, but she started doing the Ice Spice pose on him.
So let me ask you a question.
Okay.
How can you, or why haven't you, being the proud Christian brother that you are, why haven't you given her an ultimatum?
Because I'm trying to save her. And I like I said, she's a big fan of.
Are you trying to save her, or are you addicted to that booty yourself?
Oh, brother, Dr. Umar, come on now. Come on, let's keep it.
Wait, the way he said it was so funny, bro. Are you addicted to that booty? Because there are so many brothers who are addicted to booty, bro. Now, if you like ass, you are addicted to Buddhism.
She's a big fan
Are
of.
you trying to save her, or are you addicted to that booty yourself?
Oh, brother, Dr. Umar, come on now. Come on, let's keep it.
Say what I'm saying.
Okay.
If you are
Yeah.
as committed to your faith as you claim,
Yeah.
how is it that you've spent almost a year with a woman who doesn't sound like she's the least bit interested
No,
in Jesus Christ?
she's very interested in Christ and everything. Everyone has their bad habits, and she
That's
was just
not a
outside.
habit,
Like,
brother.
she was
That's a
outside.
lifestyle.
Like, I'm not gonna lie. Before we started dating, she was like definitely racking it up. She was going crazy in college. I see
But
potential.
why are you attracted to that type of a woman?
not-
See, I want to deal with you more than her because we can't.
She's a big fan of you, by the way, and she. Yeah.
I appreciate my sister,
Uh-huh.
and I'm gonna give her 40 lashes for doing the ice spice. But listen,
Hey, he doesn't even know she's white, right? He doesn't even know yet. He said he will give her 40 lashes. That's crazy.
Okay. What do you mean by lashes? Is that?
whipping post.
Okay.
Listen,
Okay.
metaphorically, not
Yeah,
literally.
I know. I think we know. Well, cause like my girl, she has a percentage of black hair. Like I like, you know.
Wait, stop. Ninja, please. You just said my wife.
It's that nigga, please, bro. Wait.
My woman got a percentage of black.
100%. What'd you say?
Wait.
Wow. I let the milk. You put
No, wait. We gotta run that. We got to run this back. Because you just slid something in on me.
Okay.
First of all,
Okay.
mixed race African is still African.
Yeah.
I believe in the one black parent rule.
Uh-huh.
If you got one black parent and you psychologically identify as African, you one of us.
She 100% psychological.
But you said she has some black.
I don't know what the percentage is.
Well, we need to know what the
As a
percentage
matter
is.
of
We
fact,
have to know.
If she got 1% black, she ain't black.
Baby, can you come in here? She's in the building today.
1%
I'm gonna introduce
black
her.
is
What is her
crazy.
ethnicity? What's the other ethnicity?
It's-
What is the mother is what and the father is what?
Hey, there is not even a single percent, not even like a 0.0000001% of black in this. So I want to see his reaction, bro. He's going to go crazy. He's going to go crazy because he said 1%. There is not even a 0.010001 whatever percent.
Okay, the reason I'm having a hard time is because I don't want to mislabel people.
Hey, baby.
Look at the disappointment in his face, bro. He is so disappointed, bro. He is so disappointed, bro. He was expecting at least a 1%, but there is not, like I said, no 0.0000. Look how this. You see when like his fingers is going to his mouth, like all right. That's like a sign of like wait. Oh my god. Now he has to fake a smile. Thank you, Davis.
Good afternoon, likewise. No hugs.
No,
please.
no.
They come sit right here. Is everything in the shot? You can come sit right here. Between us.
We having a conversation. How you?
Come on, sit right here, bro. Okay. Yeah, so, come on, we gotta get cozy now, brother.
It's like he can't stand being around white women, bro. He can't tolerate it. Damn.
No, go ahead.
So I was telling Umar, my issue with you is that you be in the club. You talked about, I don't even know what the term is, swapping or switching partners one time. Like, I just feel like you should be more loyal to me.
But I just feel like I'm more happy whenever I'm out there.
So, but you've said several times that I make you happy.
Yeah, you do make me happy. But I would be happier if we had an open relationship.
That's my problem with Umar.
I have a question, young lady. Your name?
Tori,
Pleased to meet you, Tori. What is your ethnicity, Tori?
I'm white.
Okay,
She had a
and what are
percentage of black hair, though.
hold on.
Yeah.
What are the if you don't mind me asking, your father's ethnicity and your mother's ethnicity?
My dad is, I think, European.
Italian,
I
Greek,
don't know. I think Polish.
Irish. Okay, maybe Polish. Your father and your mother is.
I don't know.
Okay,
Yeah.
but definitely Caucasian.
But this is the thing,
Okay.
Umar. Look at my.
He said you had a percentage
look at
of
my
black
background.
in you.
Look at my background. I got this woman on my background.
Have you ever done any DNA testing to ascertain if you had any African blood?
Yo, I feel bad for the girl, for the lady, excuse me, because I don't think she knows who Dr. Umar. I hope they told her about him, because she is here for just a prank, bro. She didn't come here to get questioned about her DNA, ethnicity, and all that stuff. And Davis is trying to like help her, but Dr. Umar is not even letting him come because he, in his eyes, they are dating, and now he has to dissect this white lady of her DNA strings and everything. So I feel bad for her, bro. And Davis is so uncomfortable. Look, you see, because he's trying to like take over the situation, but he can't. Dr. Umar is taking over. Like, bro, you're done. You're out.
No, but my mom has. I just don't know what the results were.
Okay.
But there was African.
Okay. But your mother, if I
and
saw
she's
her,
doing well,
would clearly appear to me as a Caucasian female.
Let's all scoot in because the shot's wide. Can we all get closer? Can you scoot over?
No, you're fine.
Yeah.
You're fine, Tori.
Okay. Yeah.
I would disagree with him being with you.
Whoa.
Not because I have an issue with you as a human being, I want you to understand, but because I have an issue with him as a black man who I feel should have chosen a sister out of loyalty to the community.
But she's like a sister.
So it's not a dismissal of you. You understand me? It's a loyalty to us that I think a lot of black men take him. He's a successful young brother, doing very well for himself, and instead of getting a sister, he gets a Caucasian woman. And that represents a significant contradiction for me as a Pan-Africanist and someone who is trying to build my people.
The most important thing to me is I want to get your advice because I think that you have a genuine understanding of relationships and people. I need her to stop swinging. She's trying to get us to start swinging. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the term.
Swinging.
Y'all
being intimate with other people.
That's what she's doing. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
I'm completely against anything non-traditional. Okay? But I couldn't even give you the advice because I cannot approve of the relationship itself.
Brother, you can 100%.
So he's not even moved by the stringy thing. He's not moved by him not being him being.
Although I can respect this young lady.
Why did you think it was okay to twerk with my friend?
I felt like he wanted me to.
What in the fuck?
Don't curse at me.
I'm not using profanity. I'm not using profanity with you. I'm simply saying, if you think my close friend, who I play basketball with, who I go to the gym with every day, if you think putting my partner, who I'm trying to uplift as my queen, if you think rubbing your butt against him in the club is respectful, I think you're completely wrong. And I know you can agree with that.
But I don't agree with you. I feel like it was fine. We were just living in the moment.
And one word she always tries to use is insecure. She tries to say I'm insecure.
Because you are.
Let me interject.
Okay.
That is an issue that the two of you will need to discuss. I cannot lend any of my professional insight because I do not agree with interracial relationships.
But that's the problem. But it's not even just the relationship. It's just the fact that she's trying to fuck with other like.
But you can mess with other girls.
And you're using the N-word.
I'm not doing it.
And you're using the N-word, which you should not be using at all, but you're using it in the presence of non-African people.
So you wouldn't be willing to join us?
Absolutely not.
What?
I only drink chocolate milk.
He stared right into the camera when he said that, bro.
Absolutely not.
What?
I only drink chocolate milk.
Hey, that right there should be on TikTok, bro. Just that part should be on TikTok, bro. It will go crazy on TikTok, bro. It will go crazy on TikTok.
That's very disrespectful. And this is.
But you're just being insecure.
No,
now.
this is where I go. No, this is not okay. Why am I gonna provide for you? Why am I gonna provide for you?
Because at the end of the day, it's still just me and you.
Okay. Again, I'm gonna need y'all to table that, handle that on your own time, and we can get back to our conversation unless our conversation is over, because I don't agree with interracial relationships, so I don't even feel comfortable being a part of this three-way conversation.
I don't even like you using the word three-way around her, because she always getting ideas and shit.
It was nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Okay.
I just feel like the conversation wasn't really done.
Oh no, I'm leaving. You better.
Why do you feel like?
Sorry, you gotta excuse us. If you valued black women, you would keep searching until you found the one that you need. You don't value black women, you value white women. You are a bunny hopper. I don't believe an African could have a Caucasian
That's the
soulmate.
word.
And it's an insult against her that you're only with her for what she can do for you as it relates to your career.
I agree.
You on his dick? Goddamn! Get off his dick! God, leave.
Why though?
Huh? Why what?
Why should I have to?
Get off. What you have to what?
Get off his dick.
That right there is disrespectful to me. That's disrespectful to me.
If he's down, I'm down. That's all I'm saying. Like,
I'm not into either interracial dating or non-traditional forms of sexual intimacy. I don't believe in twosomes, threesomes. I'm not into that. And I'm not into bunny hopping, so no thank you.
what if I change your
No,
mind?
let's stop. I'm gonna get her Uber. Please give me a second. I'm gonna get her Uber.
While Dr. Umar thinks I'm getting her Uber to leave, I'm actually talking to her about how this is the final time she's gonna have a chance to rizz this man up. I walked in first and told her to come out a few seconds after.
What? To reach Dr. Hey, you huh? Hey, even if you bring the most attractive, who I don't even know who's like the most attractive white woman, bring him to Dr. Umar, you won't do shit. You won't do nada.
Afterwards, so she could approach Dr. Umar.
Well, Hebrew Israelite.
Let's can't let it go, y'all.
Hebrew Israelite is different. Hebrew Israelite is
I just
different.
really feel like you would like to try something new.
No, I would not.
No, what do you mean?
Hebrew Israelite is different
I'm not talking to you.
because they are a black consciousness religious movement. You feel me? We're talking about traditional Christianity tends to be colorblind. And in being colorblind, he was raised without any loyalty to the black community.
Plenty of loyalty.
And that's what
she got
allowed
at least
him to
3%.
end
She
up
got at least
with a
3% error.
Caucasian.
She got at least 3% error.
Yes, so that's not really going against what you've been saying then.
No. See, the problem here is you're trivializing a very serious problem in the black community.
Please tell me. Please tell me.
I think you're making mockery of the tragedy
What in the world? Mockery?
of black men not being loyal to black women. I think you're making a mockery of it.
Guys, shut the fuck up!
And see, I wouldn't expect her to understand because it's not her responsibility to.
And he's talking about that, and you wanna ask him to join us in bed.
Yes.
What type of whore?
Wait, why is Kai yelling in the background? Oh, he there at the AMP house. But why is Kai yelling in the background, bro? What is going on with Kai? What is going on with Kai, bro?
What shit is that?
You're calling me a hoe?
Yes, because you're asking to sleep with one of my guests. This is
So, I already told you what my views were before we ever got together. And you agreed and you stayed. So if he's interested, I'm interested.
Really not interested.
Are you sure?
Absolutely, Tori. Thank you.
Positive?
No, thank you. Yes, ma'am.
You can't even look me in the eyes?
I'm absolutely positively sure. I don't want to
I
join.
feel like you're making some severe eye contact with my girl.
That's what I'm
Nah,
saying.
you ain't eye contact with my girl.
I
Dr.
see the
Umar.
signs.
No,
There's
no signs.
I see the signs. I'm going with him.
You're going what?
Nah.
Yeah.
All jokes aside, I'm not interested in the story.
But you
And he's
love
been
me too.
excommunicated from the black
Whoa!
community.
Whoa! I'm in the black community still.
No, you're not.
Come on.
He's been excommunicated.
Stop it. Nah, it's bigger. No.
He's been excommunicated. Men who are
He's
not
out.
loyal to the
His,
black.
his black card is revoked. Davis, your black card is revoked by Dr. Umar, bro. You are no longer a black brother. You are a bunny hopper.
Community, we kick him out.
He won't even want to give you a
He's going
hug.
to get some paperwork in the mail that lets him know we're snatching his melanin.
Whoa! No. I'm black. I'm black.
In all honesty, Miss Tori, and let you know, I am absolutely not interested in being with you or any other Caucasian woman on any level.
Thank you. Please go. Dr. Umar, I want to thank you for coming on my show. Can I still get a handshake, or do you think I'm too much?
Nah, you.
Whoa!
We don't shake
Come
bunny
on,
hoppers, bro.
You,
We don't shake bunny hoppers over
give
here.
you a pound.
Brother, come on! You can't give me a.
I can't give you a hand.
The most you get is a pound. You don't.
yeah,
No,
brother.
we don't shake hands with bunny hoppers,
Oh man,
bro.
it was great.
Yeah, thank
You're
you.
a
So
bunny
we
hopper,
successfully
Davis.
had this woman rizz up Dr. Umar, and of course, he stood on business and respectfully declined multiple times. After this was over, I wanted to comfort Dr. Umar and let him know the truth about the situation.
Hey, brother Umar, I'm gonna go ahead and get it to myself. I want to thank you once again. I do want to tell you, I'm 100% joking. I did thoroughly enjoy the conversation. My only girlfriend is a black girlfriend. Of course, I'm pranking you. Hey, brother.
Both of y'all look fake.
Brother.
Yeah. It was obvious. The
we
chemistry
want to
was
appreciate
not
you for
there.
not taking it too serious, man. Being very loud, so I appreciate it. I'm not I can't even get my fist bump still.
Negro, let me see.
Insane.
Hey, that was a good content, bro. Shout out to IamDavis. That's a good video right there, bro. Hey, and it was so nice to see that them just having fun and Dr. Umar acknowledging You know, like it was fun and everything. Even though I thought to myself, anyone could see like the chemistry wasn't there. Like they could see as a couple, the chemistry wasn't really there. So it could be like a prank. So he kind of like sensed it, being a psychologist. I mean, it was easy to like tell, but you know, he stood on business still. So man, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. We're gonna be doing more videos for sure. I'll go back to reacting to Nigerian funny TikTok content for sure, because I saw some the last couple of days and I was like, okay, these ones are fire. So I will start making compilations again. So make sure y'all come back to check out some more videos and fuck with me. And like I said, if you like what we do here and want to be part of the gang, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. We out.